3 hour candle is about to close in 11 minutes, so we're probably going to get that pushed down for the next for a 3 hour here before pushing up again. Let's see, because this 4 hour closed above and this one already rejected this one. 3 hour candle. We also have this 50 moving average in 3 hours, which is a power there. It's pushing now. So 2 hour change to buys, 1 hour change to buys, and then 2 hours still 6%, 4 hours 10%. But probably gonna go with just this 15 to 4 hour, which is this one here. See gold. So gold pushed up and you can see it. No, no. 3 minutes away. Let me put the map up here. No problem, bro. Just have to wait. See the S30 here. It's weekly. It's pushing up again. I have this weekly, right? That I'm not here. So prices between this and that. Daily. So daily was the part that zone. It's probably will be testing this one before the hill. Okay, take out from this rejecting video and it's for power. Support right there. I'm just gonna stay down here before pushing up again. You said you buy from 149 to 100. Probably the missed trade here. Nice. 141. You said you bought what? Oh, 140, 149. 149. You still have the holding this here? Oh, it's crazy, man. I got buys from here, but I closed it like it's nice. Very nice. I got buys from let's see when okay, we have this weekly here. I just like to have like this body just in that zone. See if we're breaking apart. Let's see. So I got it in the 30 minutes. We also have a daily here, which is got it somewhere on here. I bought somewhere around here. And I closed it at 65 pips. I think it was a weekly zone or oh, sorry, you were drawing something. I think I closed it somewhere around maybe here. Yeah, I think I closed it here. Um, yeah, I closed it here. I was thinking to leave it like very small runner, but that's about 65 pips. Yeah, look how. Three hours about to close. Yeah, I mean we were taking like respecting these lows here, making new lows. making highs. So this one was respected. Another support here. What is that? Okay. Okay. So bank, what that called? The bank, money bank or whatever they call it.
Yeah, bro, it's just liquidity grab. So orders haven't been filled here.
Yeah,
This basically shows that they were done in this area. So they had to bring price all the way up because we were in this range for some time. So
yeah,
manipulation came in, bring the price back into this range, retest of this area here, and shoot the price back up.
yeah. People had stop loss here above this one here.
Yeah, bro. It's just
Sure.
liquidity game, right?
Um, let's see what let me just give it everything. So this daily, let me see if there's any other weekly there. This one so daily. They supported that last daily we had, and back above, or they rejected it and push up. So price is above this zone here, which is a weekly zone. Uh, 4 hour close. This one is rejecting, but let's see what happens. 3 hours just closed. Probably is coming down here again. Let's see, push down the more. Let's take it back. This one. Get that push down here. Just trying to make sure that I'm so far it's coming back to this 8 moving average in the 1 hour, and at the same time it says weekly zone here. So I'm gonna wait for this to come back here.
Hey, bro, what's the overall bias? like higher time frame for GJ?
What's what? I couldn't hear
What's
you.
overall bias? Like, what's your overall bias on the higher time frame for GJ?
What's the confirmation you mean?
Yeah, just the bias. Is it bearish or bullish?
It's bullish. I'm waiting for
Okay.
price to come here. So we have this weekly zone here, and previous daily closed above that zone. We break down, I think 4 hour closed below, right? But we came back above to continue with that daily, right? So that's make confirmation on the bias. But we also have a monthly zone here. Let me put this one here so make sure that I have to see price coming back down. Otherwise, for our dip came down here. Didn't enter. Probably will miss the trade here. Shit, I missed the trade. It's gone. Anyways, some star is coming in. All right, it is what it is. Yeah. Anyway, in buys, she just have entered here in this week here. Ah, yeah, of course. Well, at least we expected this push based on my analysis. Anyways, it's good. I think that's what's in my way. Oh, shit. Let's see, gold. Gold, yesterday, I was waiting for gold right here at this zone here, which is a weekly, right? I was waiting for it right here in the 4 hour to touch this zone here, and my TP was all the way down here. So, I missed that by like, what's like maybe like say like 5 pips, and rejected all the way down. So I said, okay, we'll enter again if I had to enter. I think it was this one here, maybe. Let me see this. I had another entry that I missed again. I was asleep. Um, yeah, I think it was this one here. I wanted to come back to because this is 1 hour, which this one did not. Came all the way down, but we came back to that zone and one and we dropped from there. And this evening I missed the cells here also, right here. I was waiting to touch this moving average somewhere around here and did not. Just keep going down. My runner would be like 50, 160. I think I have screenshots for that. Let me see. You see, do you guys see my screenshot? This is the last, this is, I think it was this one. Yeah. So this one was my like my idea to try to come back to this zone, take sales down, and when I wake up, price was like this. It did came, but I was asleep. It did touch my zone and dropped all the way down almost to my TP, and it did not enter. And the first interesting that was 50. That's crazy. GG is gone. Yeah, that's the trade. Oh, yeah. I have to wait for break above and close this on now. If there's any weeklies or looks like I want to wait for this now to break above this zone here, which is this. When price is about to break this, I put it back down here so you can see that we are above this body. And this, so for now, yeah, it's down. George, did you like did you take buys earlier?
Najim?
Did you take buys earlier?
No, no. I just
Okay.
started trading. Can you hear me? Can you see
Yeah,
me?
I can hear you. Do you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. We're gonna wait now.
Did you have any entry on gold earlier?
No, missed go. I missed GJ here. Should have entered in 4 hours this when I touched this zone as always, but I did not. When I came to the charts, I was already somewhere around here, waiting to come back here, but I did not push up. 15, 15 minutes with polish. This one here, very nice. Was waiting for it to come here, but it did not.
Hello, hello everyone. How are you guys
Hello.
doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. I see you just catch another
No,
good
no.
trades.
I did miss this trade.
Hmm.
I was waiting for it here, but it just pushed up. I was waiting for this 4 hour to come back, but it did not push up here.
Yeah.
So all this is because this daily closed above that weekly, right? That's why I was interested in buys. This daily, this 4 hour closed back below here, right? But this one came back above to continue with that daily candle. This was my entry will be here, but when it came to the charts, 4 hours was already up here. So okay, maybe it's coming back down here and we try buys again, but it just pushed up.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's probably gonna readjust here this 50 for our 50 moving average. Yeah.
But Najim, like when you just take a look for the like EMA or like moving average, like every time frame, like you will see the difference price.
Yeah.
So how do you know like which one is the like it could be like reject or which one is the like
So what I realized about this, once we break above the 8, it goes to the 50, 85% of times, right?
hmm.
So that's what
Yeah.
happened. The rejected respected all down here. Once we break it, it came to the 50. So it does that in any time frame, right? We
Okay.
break it, retest it, and come to the 50. So that's why I say that, because I haven't seen that all the time. So now here we break it here, we test it somewhere in here. It almost came to that to retest all the way down here, but it pushed. I think it rejected
Hmm.
the 6 moving average, the 8, right? The 6 hour moving average, 8 moving average. We break, we
Yeah.
test. We're probably gonna retest this 50 now, which is also a weekly resistance right here.
Yeah, that
So
that didn't make sense.
yeah, I just look at the difference. I know, like I look at different time frame to see where the moving averages, because sometimes it breaks the moving averages in the 1 hour, but it goes to then we once we break the in 1 hour we go to the 4 hour moving average. So it just have been like watching it and almost know how it moves once we break or something, you know.
I see. Yeah. Yeah, man. What can I say? Like you just always catching the from down.
From the weak sniper.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, I missed this entry right here
Is it top? Yeah, it's top. Okay.
from the bottom week, because this 4 hour candle break up again, showing me that the daily candle wants to continue going up. In the daily
Yeah.
means that it was rejecting that weekly, right? So and we also have the daily here, so I'm waiting for to close above here and try buys again.
For the
Otherwise,
4 hour.
it can be like 2 hour, maybe 1 hour, but you know, but the high time frame, it's the strong. The more high time frame, the more strong the confirmation is.
Most. Yeah, it could
Yeah.
be like more stronger.
Yeah.
obviously. But I feel like, just today, as always, like I feel like I missed the move. So it will probably go up till like 151 600 almost or something, and then it could be come up to like make a some retracements, and then maybe it will, when the price make a support, I will take a
So
buy. But
this is
right now, I guess,
let's go back and see what's going on in the high time frame, like maybe monthly or
yeah,
I have 3 month resistance right here, right? I know the person's it's far from that, but let's just see what happened there. So as I said, we're breaking the moving averages. What is doing right here
it's testing.
is rejecting it, right? It
Yeah,
pushed up. This one rejected, pushed up, and closed above this 3 month resistance, right? And
yeah,
this one, it's still open. It has 70 days to go, right? It doesn't mean it's going to go
yes,
down, but it can come down in lower time frame on here or here. But we don't know it's wait. This one is gonna close, so we don't care about that. It's very far away. So let's go to monthly. Monthly, we have support right here.
yep, that's true.
Let's go to weekly. Weekly is closing up, but it's not closed yet. But it's rejecting that
Yeah, it
zone.
looks like it's going to close above the
Yeah. So I'm
area.
gonna do this one here. You see that it closed below that 8 moving average, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So now the daily moving averages are they change for cells right here, and we're still respecting this 8 moving average right here, right?
yes,
Let me see here. So we break above them. We respect it here. Rejection. We came to at the 50 once we close in the moving 8 here. See this?
mm-hmm.
This is daily. Once we close below that daily 8 moving average, it came to the 50, right?
Yeah,
And
test
then
it and fly up.
yeah, and then all the way that respected onto here. This one it did not come to 50. It doesn't
Mm-hmm.
happen all time, but the most of time happened.
Yeah,
So now that we like this one here, it did break them, but the moving averages did not change yet. So here we changed. I'm expecting price probably is going to come somewhere around here and to drop again.
mm.
Unless we break above this zone, coming above that strong zone, which is the 3 month
3
resistance,
months on.
right? So that's what I'm expecting for that, somewhere around here and push down.
Yeah,
Right? If you're respected here, why not here also? You know what I mean?
exactly.
He did it all the time here. So we probably gonna see something like that here. But but in the lower time frame, I'm just going to keep with the zones here and see, keep the game with the
Much better.
4 hour, catch 50 pips, 60 pips, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Yeah, as I mentioned, like you are really good at with the sniper entries. So
Just the higher time frame, I look always the high time frame and I follow the direction of the high time frame.
by the way, yesterday I guess I asked you about the USD cats, about your opinion. As you mentioned in that time, you said like the price has to close above that one, the top resistance, and it couldn't So that's
This
why
one,
I
right?
think it's dropping. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah,
From
yeah,
the daily.
I remember that it did not. I said
Yeah,
wait for close above.
exactly. After that, I just did like I put my stop loss to like first resistance, under the first resistance.
Mhm.
Yeah. I
Stop.
just
Yeah,
got
let's see. I don't remember which zone is this. I think it's weekly here. Maybe let me see the monthly. It's not monthly. It's the 3 month zone here, right? Right here.
yeah.
This one. So when price is breaking down, I put it up like this. Because I'm interested in the body of the candles. This one you can put it as big as you want. But
Yeah.
if we break above it, I wanted to do it like push it down here. Like I just leave the body down in this one. So now it's breaking down. Let's see if we can see it like can see any entry in the lower time frame once we break down
Mm-hmm.
this. So price was here, right?
Yep.
Let's go to one, I think daily maybe. So obviously like daily close below that zone here. For me, looking only for sets. As you can see, we came back, made that top wave, rejected. Let's see the 4 hour.
Rejecting so badly.
Yeah, this one would be an entry too. So
Yeah.
if I had taken cells, let's say I took cells, right? This invest in this one because this one closed below that too, right? And
Mm-hmm.
I had my stop above this one here, right? Once I see this 4 hour closing back above, I'm out. And
Yeah.
like because usually come to retest that zone again and push up. I probably came down here before pushing all the way up here. So sometimes I wait for the price to come to my entry and get out, right?
Yeah.
And then I had to wait. And then this one, another opportunity showing me the price wants to go down. I will enter here,
Yeah.
you know, for sales. Since you got out, right? Or you stay in?
Yeah. Of course. I just got out like around 28 400. Just
28,
below
400.
the yes, just below the 4 hour resistance in that time.
Mhm.
If you go back to 4 hour, I will show you. Yeah. Yeah, man. Just under this area. No, I can't do anything. Yes, around the first, let's say first 4 hour, like really big bearish one.
Oh, so you say you closed before that?
Yes, I just closed that. Yeah, around that time. Yes, that's correct.
Yeah. Let's see what's going on now in this zone here in this area because I think you like to trade this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just actually, like I never take a look for the USD CAD, but in that time, like there is an interest rate, so that's why I just jump in. But yeah,
Mhm.
I just made like not bad, like good profits.
Yeah, that's
So
nice.
I don't know why, but like nowadays everything is like really smooth, just price always respecting the like resistance and support.
You mean for the USD cat?
Yeah, like
Um,
or any other page. GJ also like really nice,
mhm.
really nice to me, or GU or I don't know.
So let me see what happened over here. The lower time frame. You see that? Like it did touch it. It was straight, extremely bullish. But once we come here, rejected down. At least was like 225 pips.
Yeah,
Let's see if we can get any entry right here. Let me do this. Go back. So this one was still away. Ignore. gonna convert this for now because I want to see what happens in this one, which is this. See daily first. It was this one, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
I think so.
Um, it did close below that, but for me, I like when price come up to touch that zone. Daily does not look that it touches, but let's go to 4 hour. See if we have a clear entry there. Yeah, 4 hour, it's not that clear entry because we have been closing down and up, down and up. So for me, this one is
Mm.
it's a little bit confusing.
Mm.
That resistance again. Put it for this one. See if we got any. All right, all right. This one looks more clear, right? No 4 hour closing below that zone over here. Only this one here, right? Only
Yeah.
this 4 hour closed back below that 3 month support, and this one came back with touch it and dropped from there. That's why I like the higher time frame zones.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah. So once we break above again, I cannot put this one down. What happened here? We had no break above or closing the weekly. Daily, daily closed above, came back down. This would be out at this point. This came back above again. But the moving average is showing buys. So I would like more buys than sells at this point in the daily. And that rejected that zone and push up. Same here, close below that zone, push down. It's simple. You just have to look at the higher time frame because sometimes you see a support made here in the 4 hour. Like which one you're gonna put? Like which one you're gonna draw? This one or this? It's hard. 4 hour resistance and
Exactly.
supports everywhere. But if you go to the higher time frame, you're gonna see that it makes sense that this this zone is it's not respecting the 4 hour because it's respecting the higher time frame zone, right? It's clear more in the higher time frame, like resistance, support at the 3 month zone to the left, right here. It's clear. So let's
Mm.
see. US 30 was waiting for US 30 is above that weekly, which is this one here. Daily closed above that zone. I think it's rejecting this daily here, but I want it to come down here. Try buys from there. It's making supports of the daily zone. Anyways, we missed the trade on GJ today. On this, yeah, did we test this zone here, which is daily, which is this one here.
Mm.
Now I'm waiting for break above. Otherwise, I'm just gonna wait. Let's see what it does. I still think it's gonna push up.
Yeah, it looks like.
Yes, it's gonna push it up.
By the
Yeah.
way, have you tried to funding talents before or any other fund?
I have tried the what it calls FTMO.
Yeah,
Passed the first. I had the 100.
phase.
Yeah, and I missed with the what do you call the second one. It was like
Hmm.
last year, and was I did like it was a mistake that I did it in the June. No, yeah, June. It was very bad
Yeah.
for me. It was very bad move. It did not
So you
work.
are not using it anymore.
No, but I'm thinking
Hmm.
to do it again. Give it a try.
Yeah. I was thinking to go with the funding talents for the 25Ks, but for me, like I do have a like really small accounts. So
Yeah.
that's why when I'm just trading like with the small account, the profit is not enough to me. Like so that's why I'm just always like just over trading to make
Oh,
more
okay.
money. So and then I will blow up
That's
like all
the
my profits.
that's the problem because you're focusing on the money instead of
Exactly.
on the strategy and staying profitable all the time. You know.
Yeah. So that is why like I'm thinking, but just but also I feel like just I'm not really strong with the strong I don't have like strong mentality right now. So
Well,
that's why I don't want to
if you grow
blow.
you try to grow the small accounts. You know, try to grow like a
But
thousand to 2,000. If you can do that, then go for like funding account.
mm,
If you
yeah,
can't do that, you keep blowing the your account, you're gonna blow that account. So
yeah,
yeah. So try to make money from that small account and then pay for the funding account.
yeah, yeah. We'll see how it goes.
Funding talents are easy if you are disciplined and follow your trading plan. 10K. Very nice. I did it
Yeah,
in
that's pretty
June,
good.
and June was very bad, very bad. Never traded in that month. Was the first time I traded like in December, June, which we all know that was a bad month to trade. And yeah, I didn't pass it. But everything I did, my strategy it didn't work. Like it was like, what's going on? Is it my strategy? But yeah, it is what it is.
So for example, like just a minute ago, like I just secured the 10 pips with gold, but I just made a profit like around how much? $25.
How much is it? $25?
$25 profit, like with in the 10 pips.
Well, that's
So
good.
yeah, but I feel like just what am I gonna do like with the $10 or $25?
It's not about the money. You have to understand. If you keep like
Yeah,
if you put your head
Yeah,
in
this is your
trading,
backpack. That's the shit I get, mate. I get it fucking all the time.
okay.
yeah,
If you put your head in like thinking like I want to live like by trading money, you're not gonna make it. You're gonna lose your account. You have to
yeah,
you have to trade like you have to have something that you love more than trading doing during your day. You know what I mean? Trading has to be
yeah,
something aside, and first, and the money comes by itself, little by little. If you focus saying like, oh, I want to make money, I want to do this and do this, focusing on money, you're gonna blow your account 100%.
Probably. Yeah.
Yeah. You know?
So that's
So-
why, like, I'm just staying away with the funding challenge right now. But
Yeah, just try to be disciplined, you know. Yeah, try to have something you do like during the day, something that you like doing, and trading, just leave trading like when you come to the charts. And don't think that like you want to live by trading or make money now. Tom, good morning. What's going on with GG? It's coming down.
yeah, gold is moving. GJ is
Oh.
coming down.
Missy gold.
Yeah.
Oh, gold is what it wanted to be. Wait,
Yeah. Last current 15 minutes is move up really nicely.
okay. Let me see. This is what I was waiting for, but let me see. Maybe push a little bit more.
Yeah, hopefully.
You are in buys?
Yeah.
What? I'm thinking for sales actually.
I just put my break even. I just
Oh.
secured to 10 pips.
Nice. Let me see. I'm looking for buys from DJ above 151. Close above.
Jim, I think your
Oh,
gold
this
zone is
gold? Gold. Probably. I'm doing okay. Let's see. Just
I'm
waiting
gonna
for it.
take sell.
Yeah. I'm gonna try, but
Yeah, it
it's
could
it's,
be.
it's possible also to come to this 8 on the 3 hours. So I'm trying to wait to be patient, right? Or you know what? I'll probably wait for this 1 hour close, probably, because if we close above this 8 moving average, we're up. Let's see.
By the way, are you using the like 200 moving average or something?
No,
Like
this is
really high one.
no, the blue one is the 8 moving average, and this one up red one is the 50.
Yeah, but you are not using 200 or something.
No.
No, okay.
I learned the strategy between these two. Let me see.
Where did you learn it?
I just learned by myself.
Oh, nice.
Seeing it every day. Let me see if I
Oh, cool. Nice, man. You must be really smart.
we're trying.
Good.
Don't go now. Shit, you go now. If I miss it again, it will be the superstar. I missed like 3 trades in gold last night.
And Najim, extremely sorry. Would you explain why you're going for sales?
For GJ or gold?
For gold.
Okay, just give me one moment and explain because I have to go to the high time frame. And let's go this just very quick. This is daily zone here, right? This is
Yeah.
the last daily, and also we have daily. This daily closed below this zone here, which is daily. Retested. It's pushing down, but we also break below this daily here. If we go to the 6 hour, this one is closed back below on the 4 hour also. So I was waiting for this 4 hour to come retest that zone and go down. And I was not at the charts, but this one was an entry tool for me, like the previous 4 hour. Because if you can see this 4 hour closed below that zone, which is daily, right? This one here, I would enter here. My stop will be about this 4 hour resistance. That this stuff is huge. So my stop would be
Thank you.
somewhere around here, right? And push down. now coming up to that. Why the reason why I want to take sales here, because if I get any like 1 hour closing back above somewhere around here, I get out because I understand that price is breaking this zones wants to go up. That's why I like the higher time frame zones to take sales. So I like this 3 hour 8 moving average. I use them as a support and resistance too. That's why I like to have my stops above them too. Let's see. And the 4 hour is still open, so this could be a 4 hour top wick to push down. Yes, Ali, I'm thinking for gold sales. Kinda want to take it here, but I just feel like it's gonna push a little bit more. Yeah, it's gonna push a little bit more. We have this 15 closed above the 50, and probably it's going to reject that 15 push up. But 15 is it's not like strong confirmation, just like that. That's what it does. It's simply that push up here. And also it's rejecting the 1 hour moving average, 8 moving average here. That's why I don't know if we should take it now or wait for this 1 hour close. Not bad, 25 pips, 65 pips for gold, stop loss, it's like nothing. Gonna eat it very quick. Very good. Let's see. 2 hour. Yes, there's a chance to come to this here, so I'm just being patient because it seems like it wants to break above. Let me draw this 2 hour average. So here. Let's wait. As soon as we are below this zone here, for this, I'm looking only for cells. Because these are the last daily zones we have.
Are you gonna wait till 1 hour close, right?
I want to wait for 1 hour. Because it's about to close. Yeah, I want to wait for that and see what happens.
Okay, that it makes sense.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this week. Nobody's taking session. London Open is about to in 10 minutes. Right. Respecting that 8. See what happens. How close? It is going back up. Close about this one here. Hmm. It's 2 hour kind of close too. Let me see if any strong zone here. This one here.
GJ also moving.
Moving up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you want to wait for close up of this one here?
Same.
Two minutes. The next 1 hour probably is gonna push. If we close below this 8 moving average, is gonna push to make that top weight. I don't know if it's here or here, but I'm gonna wait to see how it reacts, and then leave that bottom weight to go down. Top weight to go down. Let's see something like this. If we close above, then I will be looking for bias to the next one from up. respected that 8 moving average. A bit close above it, but just a little bit. Come on. Oh, it's London Open. Okay, yeah. Push more. It's also the 2 hour 2 hour candle, so we probably come into this one here. So I'm going to wait. Hold. Hold this crazy. Come on, push. It's having hard time that daily zone.
Woohoo, GG, DJ.
Oh shit, GJ. Missed my first entry. Then shit. It's coming to the 50, like I said before. This is where it's coming. If I stay open, so we have to close above here to confirm that it's coming to this. But it's close, anyways. It's going to push and reject it. Let's see. Something here. 30 minutes closed right on the resistance, and it broke the high within the first 1 minute, so I don't think we all lost opportunity to enter.
Yeah, that's what I didn't take the buy.
Yeah, I would wait. I would wait for a close up of this one because this is a daily zone here. Don't forget
Daily
about
zone,
that.
exactly.
Let me put it back here like this.
Mm. No FOMO. And also, I believe that like we already missed the buy.
Yeah, my entry was here.
We should take a buy around 151.
If you close above, because I wanna put back.
You wanna close?
Yeah, I mean, I know you guys taking sometimes a break. I just don't trade like that, so I know you. I mean, you guys can get that 10 pips very easy, but my entry was this one. As if I missed it, I'm not taking it. Entry breaks another zone. Okay, we come into that. Okay, take very small sell here and see. It's risky selling. This is keep pushing, but it's what it is.
It is what it is.
I keep putting this for buys. So now if it breaks above or flows above this zone, I'm out, right? Let's see, where's my entry?
In which time frame?
This is 2 hour
If
time
it's
frame.
close, 2 hour time frame.
So 1 hour. 1 hour is the like lower I can go.
Hmm.
It's 30 minutes. I tried it many times. It's not good. My entry was there. Let's make sure. Zoom, view. Yeah, my stuff is gone. It's weird that you're moving average by 3 hour, moving average by here. And then switch with this first stop. 28, it's not bad for what it can each can go straight up for 20. It's gone. So let's see. What this average. Yeah. Screenshot here. So far so good. Let's see. I just when I see it, I just enter like I don't think about it 2 times, but now it just had to know where to get out. That's all. What was this? Just have to know where to get out. Before getting in the trade, you have to know where to get out. All right. Is anyone inside here with me or just me? Ali, okay. All right, let's see. Probably secure 10 pips, 15 pips to be honest with you. I'm just giving that right now. 11 pips, 13 pips. Let's see. Very nice. Nine. All right. I'm going to secure to 85% of 20 pips. And probably remove stop at B. All right, it's pushing. I'm gonna close 50% right there. Let's see. What's it? Somewhere 14 pips, not bad. Let's see what full power is doing. It's projecting that. 15 minutes, it's still for sells here, the moving averages, but gonna wait. So he wants to take that 14 pips. 14 pips back. It can play out because we are below that zone, so I'm gonna keep holding. I probably give it 14 pips. And if I lose, I'm losing only 13 pips instead of almost 30 pips. Let's see. Depending where this for 1 hour, well, it's gonna close. Did you got to 50, like I said before, 50 moving average. And this is the next weekly zone we have, which is this one here. Let me see daily and 8 moving average at the weekly zone. So we probably coming all the way up, but I'm just gonna watch now and see what's about this zone. I'll try buys from here to the next zone. For now, I'm just gonna wait for close. Let's see if we respect this 8 moving average in 1 hour and close below it, make that resistance. Seems like it's coming to my entry now. So are you looking to enter DJ? Above that zone I was talking of. I'm gonna wait for close above this zone here, this 1 hour. I will take only sales if price come back to this zone here. Check it out. So this 1 hour is still open. Right. Let's see how it closes. If it closes above this zone here or above this, I'm out. $15. That's not that quick. That's not good. Just above the zone. And I'm going to focus on these 2 hour candles. Tone is there. Oh, you mean the question? This is what I like to check the sales for buys at I like in the high time frame zones because I know if you close above it, I have a chance to get out. And that's why sometimes I switch from sales to buys or from buys to sales. You're waiting for break, Ali, for 15 minutes, 15 minutes, I think, right? 30 minutes. Yeah, sounds good. I would like to see this 15 minutes break in this these two moving averages will be awesome because we are above them. It's a little bit sketchy, but it's 15 minutes. It's not a strong confirmation, but it's sketchy. But it can do something not good. But the higher time frame, 2 hour, 1 hour, we are below the 8 moving average. So I think it's good so far. It's not bugs. Concern. about 1800. What do you think? You think you're talking about gold or DJ? Gold? I mean, um, the thing is, I don't like. You are talking about this one here, right? You're talking about this resistance to close below it. Yeah, it could work too if we close back below this 8 moving average in the 30 minutes. It would be good. I just don't think take sells on the 30 minutes. All right, Ali. For me, if I miss this entry here, I just let it go. But yeah, wait for the 15 minutes to break below this 8 moving 50 and 8 moving average. Joe, are you sleepy? Are you sleeping?
No, Najim, I'm listening.
Did you take any GJ or gold?
No, not yet.
Just waiting.
Yes.
Do you have any idea what you waiting for? Like, so we can.
Well, actually, I'm waiting for 1797 to hear
17.
97, 96 area, but if you touch it, so
I hear you very far away, Joe.
okay. I think it's because of my earphone. I just borrowed it. Can you hear me now clearly?
It does. I hear you, but it's not clear.
Okay, wait.
You're talking about gold or GJ?
Gold, gold. Wait, wait.
So you looking for sells or buys? Since he's fixing the mic. This looks good so far.
How about now?
I hear you now.
Okay. But you can hear the raindrops as well.
Yeah. So you said you're waiting for 1800, you said?
No, 1797, 1796-ish earlier, but it didn't touch it. I'm hoping for buys early. But
You're looking for buys.
yeah,
Okay. You're looking for to come down here.
yes.
Okay, that would be awesome for us.
Are you
And
going to
for me,
trade the unemployment claims later?
it's NFP today.
What?
What you said, NFP?
Unemployment claims.
When? What time? New York
8:30.
session, right?
Yeah, New York session.
That time I would get sick. But I don't know, maybe
Oh.
if I'm awake. So this 1 hour has 36 minutes to go. Let's see. So far it's rejecting, but it's having a hard time to go down.
Did you close some runners or you're waiting for it to flip?
I closed like 14 pips.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Rejecting that 50 in the 15 minutes, which is not good. wait. Did you fly? Oh my God. Yeah, it came to the 50 moving average on the 4 hour. I'm looking at the on the phone. Came to the 50 on the 4 hour candle. Straight up. Just like this is what's the good entry had here. Not intro. Be like 16 pips now. Hopefully someone took the break because I don't check the brakes, so wow. Jeez. So you see that continuation of daily, they rejected that weekly and fly. This is the next one we have. This coming here. So also this coming from this 8 moving average. At this point, I'm just going to be waiting for GG for a good confirmation. Otherwise, just gonna wait. Oh, corn looks good. I'll just close another 2% if it came down here. Two minutes for 30 minutes to close. So when the 50 and the 8 are close and the price is in between them, so it does range for a little bit in the lower time frame. Right? It's ranging in the 5 minutes. So we have to break either down or up here. But yeah, the 2 hour is rejecting it, so it's just gonna hold now and see because this 30 minutes it can come also back up again to this zone. I would like to see this 1 hour closing below that 8 moving average, but bearish. But yeah, let's see how we close. In the next 1 hour, reject that moving average and go down. Yeah, this 5 minute closed below that 8 moving average. This candle it should reject that moving average. It probably is coming to this one here to 50. But also we have this in the way, which are the 30 minutes, 8 moving average, 15 minutes. So this, I consider this a problem. So once price is coming to this, it has to break this to close. This is having, I think it's having a hard time to this 50 in the 15 minutes. 5 minutes goes back above the morning average. All right, this looks good so far. Coming down. Let's see. This 1 hour has 15 minutes to go. Probably it's going to be just this 50 before coming down again. This is 30 minutes. 30 minutes still rejecting this, so I need this 30 minutes closing and less that. Came down 22 pips. 1. So all what's happening now here, it's the 4 hour rejection. 6 hour candle. Chance they had to go 1 hour. Also 3 hour candles. So the one is about to close this to 1 hour, so I'm going to focus on this. I'm getting sleepy. Sleep soon. Leave this runner and sleep. CGG. So we do them that for hour 15 moving average. Do the numbers. This weekly candle can come to retest this weekly here and this 8 in the daily before pushing down, because that's what it does when it breaks. 8 comes to reject it to retest it before going down. But here it came down first, but now it can do that. From here, reject. Same time we have weekly support with that. So we just gonna keep getting the distance. Yes. So the 50 moving average in the 4 hour time frame, it's exactly the daily. That's why I like using them sometimes as support and resistance. Checking that zone. Let me see. 5 minutes. We come all the way down here to the 50 to 8 on the 15 minutes. Yeah, I would like to price to come to this in here and try buys from here up. That's 7 minutes. That goes back. The 30 minute support, it's lining with that 8 moving average in the 30 minutes. That's entry here, no drawdown. Oh, that was a perfect entry. Or my stop at B. Najim-Fx. Melton. Thank you, Ali. Trying to get the best trades. Learning about gold more and more. You're not in yet, right? Very nice. It's coming down there. The daily zoom. Let's see. You took the break of the 15 against my rules. Well, that's bad thing, but I'm glad that it worked. I mean, if you have a plan, stick to it, no matter what, you know. But yeah, we all do some mistakes. Always. I know sometimes I should not doing something. I still do it. So once I got kicked out, and I say I knew it. I have to stick to my rules. But sometimes, 30 minutes closed, making that top quick. Let me see what's in the way. There's nothing in the way. 15 minutes, 8 moving average is away. The only thing is the 5 minutes. If we close below that 5 minutes, would be awesome. Because it can also reject that, come back to the highs before coming down again. So just manage your risk there. Yeah, I'm waiting for it here, somewhere around here. It's 30 minutes close to go to. Oh shit! Didn't even see it. Let me close another 50% here. Oh man, came down straight down. TP1 smashed there. Very nice. So all what's going on here, it's the 4 hour. It probably is gonna turn bearish. So now we're just gonna wait. Wow, nice. Thank you, Ed. Did you take any trade, Ed? And we do this live, right? 40, 41 hit, TP1 smashed. As you can see, we're doing this live. It's 4 a.m. About to close the zone now. We go to sleep. We are just 10 people here, chilling, be quiet. And yeah, and gold is minting. Closed another 50%. And now just had that runner and see what we got. I'm still thinking just 4 hours gonna turn bearish and go down. But let's see.
Where do you live, Najim?
I was doing some video for Instagram. I live in New York, about 2 hours away from New York, in Pennsylvania.
Hmm.
Yeah. What about you?
I'm living in Sydney,
Sydney. All right.
Sydney, Australia. Yeah.
Oh, from Australia. Very nice. What time is it
Yeah.
now there?
6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Yeah.
Wow. And I wish.
Yeah, man, just move. Why are you waiting?
Yeah, man.
Must be really hard
Maybe.
for you to trade.
Yeah, I would like, yeah, try to sleep like early, but I just can't because trades at this time, but yeah, it is what it is.
So what's your game plan during the day? Like you just waking up for the
Well,
you
I do still have work. I do work, but I just work for me. So I do work at any time I want, at any time,
Mhm.
so, and that's it. So I can start at any time or like finish work at any time. I just can't stay just doing nothing during the day. I can't.
Yeah,
Wow.
gold is still moving.
Yeah. And then go to the gym, So yeah,
Cool.
I took one gigabyte and watching gold, but that gold trade card was perfect. Tariq Muhammad, yeah, we're trying to get the best trades. I always take the weeks, you know. Before before like let's say where is it? Some before I used to take it exactly the at the zone, but I realized gold always break I just started like learning more about gold, how it moves, right? So now instead of taking it exactly at the zone, I went in the back of the zone. If we have any moving averages, I know it's coming to that. So I'm trying to get better at both entries. Yeah. Let's take the test from trader. You still take retest? What do you mean, Ed? Oh, catch. Wow, smelter man. Shit.
Olay.
Did you take any trade the diagnostic iPad?
Who? Me?
Yeah, you were in GJ, right?
Yeah, I was in GJ, and then I just take a sell with the gold, but just
Very nice. Where did you take
so
yourself?
in 15 minutes I can show you if you want. In
minutes.
15, yeah. When the 15 minutes, I mean the second one, breaking the structure.
This one here.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Well, just it's really small position.
It's okay. It's not about the lot size. As soon as you see your setup, just get in, even if like one cents,
Yeah.
right? But just get in, and if you see that next time, you're gonna remember that exactly entry, and that's how you rise your size little by little, seeing the same thing every day.
Yeah, that's very true.
So the
That was
most
how it
the
goes.
most important it's the participation, right? So
Yeah. That's the only important thing.
gold played very
Yeah.
good today. Wow. So the 4 hour breaking the low of the previous 4 hour. Very nice.
Yeah, it should be melting till
So
1794.60, I guess.
this they have this daily here, right? But I do think I don't know when it's gonna happen, but I do think it's coming to this weekly.
Which one?
This weekly.
That one? Oh.
I don't know when it's gonna happen, but I to sell it again, I have to close below this daily here, which is this, right? This one here, because we had that hard time breaking down that zone. If you see the 4 hour, made that support here, and then keep going, coming down. And it's not closed since we break up here. It's not closed anywhere here yet. So this would be the TP for me, and then if I want to enter again, I would be like waiting for the close below this one here. So far, so good. 58 pips. Stop is at break even now. See if I can close another.
What's your Instagram address, by the way? I will follow you.
My Instagram.
Yeah.
Let me go for it. Let's see. 1 moment. Yeah, I had secured 14 pips, 50% at 14 pips, and they secured another 15%. I think it was somewhere around here at like 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips, another 50%. I think it's touching. Yes, I secured another 50% right here, 31 pips, something like that. But now I have like it's very small run I have there right now. It's a bonus. You said my Instagram, right? Let me see.
And it's still melting.
Very nice. I didn't see TP yet, so probably if I see that breaking hard, I'm gonna leave it.
I'm gonna secure everything in with 50 pips, which is 2
Yeah,
pips,
it's good to
2
not
pips
be
away.
ready, you know. Yeah, that's why I like to close up the zones now. I used to leave them and the runner coming back to my interest, so now I decide to close to the zones. This is my Instagram. Do you see it?
Just
Najim-Fx. Let me see. Let me see. Send you the links.
Find it. Here we
Find
go,
it.
man.
I'm gonna find my stories just made them now. This is the link if anyone wants to follow me. Wow, it's melting.
Yeah.
Wow.
I secure everything in here as well with the 50 pips. Cool.
You secured everything you said?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, it's pretty. Where's my screenshot here? So this was my entry here. Taking the trades when the candle was still bullish.
Holy shit. Just check the gold.
Ooh, shit. I'm still in.
Oh boy.
I'm still in there, but I'm gonna close another 50% right there.
Let's move another 30 pips.
Yeah, man. Let's close another 50%.
Holy crap.
Oh, nice. What a perfect trade. Let me see the, yeah.
Yeah, next time I will follow your idea.
I mean, you just have to like backtest it and just watch how as soon as you know the higher time frame zones, that's simple, you know. High time frame and play with it. That's it. Okay. I guess we're done. I still have like very small runner there and see what we got up there. Yeah. Shit.
That was a quick move in
It was
how many
quick
minutes?
move, yeah.
Yeah,
That's the 4
like
hour.
half an hour almost.
Yeah, turned bearish 4 hour and minted. And now we are at that daily zone. And yet if you close below that, if you close below that would be awesome. We're going to the weekly, which is about 64 pips away. Ali,
Yeah,
take
my
care.
one of them friends.
See you tomorrow, Ali. Have a good
See
day.
you, man. My one of them friends actually like has got a position from the 1910 or something. He's still holding his goal position.
Your friend?
Yeah, he's a swing trader.
Yeah, my TP was down here, but I missed the trade by like 4 pips. I was waiting for it here, and they missed it here again. Man, I missed it this evening here again, but not this time. You're not going nowhere.
Mm.
So as I
Well, my
said,
friend-
like we had this daily closed below that 8 moving average, right? Usually price has to come back to retest it, right? But based on the zones we have here, we did not come up. It just respected the zones and melted. That's some awesome melts. Let's send this to my mail. All right, guys, I think I'm done. I'm going to go ahead to sleep. Um, yeah,
Thanks, Najim. Good night.
no problem. See
Are you gonna
guys.
be here around New York for New York?
No, I don't
No?
think so. No, I'm going to be
No.
asleep. But we'll be here tomorrow, hopefully.
Yep, no worries. All right then. See you tomorrow.
All right, guys, take care. Have a good day, everyone.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. See you, Tarek. Take care.